This is the safety device with the little glass tubing. Look like a little fuse. There's a closer look. Here's a picture of it. That glass tube holds a little oil. I'm not sure what the substance is. You can see on the previous one where you see this is not the same as the one that I'm working on now, but you seen the shard glass that was laying out across the deck. Okay, now we've got it in place. This is what it looks like once it's in place. This is a close-up view. This is a picture that I got off the internet. And now it's time to put the burner assembly, the pilot assembly, everything back that goes into the combustion chamber. This right here, oh man, I love this. This was a great idea that Rheem came up with the gasket seal to install back in place. I'm going to show you let me show you more of a closer look where you can see the small little magnets. See the little magnets right there? Okay. So once you flip that over and flip it in place, those magnets will hold it right in place, and you don't really worry about it moving around on you. So I thought that was pretty clever. See, it holds it right in place.